Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have an exciting topic that can change the way you approach life and finances. We'll be exploring the 15 habits that the rich people have mastered, habits that set them apart from the rest of us. But before we dive right in, this is your first time visiting our channel, please subscribe and don't forget to hit notification bell so you will be notified whenever we upload a new amazing video. Number 1. Rich individuals cultivate a success mindset. They believe in their ability to create wealth and overcome obstacles. It's all about positive thinking and setting ambitious goals. Next up at number 2, the rich are avid learners. They invest time and money in education, whether it's formal degrees, online courses, or reading books. Continuous learning is their secret weapon. Number 3, wealthy individuals understand the power of diversification. They don't rely on a single income source. Instead, they create multiple streams of income from investments, businesses, and passive income. At number 4, rich people plan their finances meticulously. They have a budget, savings plan, and long-term financial goals. Having a clear roadmap helps them stay on track and make informed decisions. Number 5, successful individuals build strong networks. They understand the importance of connections and surround themselves with like-minded, ambitious people. Networking opens doors to opportunities. Rich individuals embrace calculated risks. Number 6 on our list, they understand that to achieve significant rewards, one must be willing to take calculated risks. It's all about stepping out of your comfort zone. Number 7, time is money, and the wealthy know it. They prioritize their time, focus on high-value tasks, and delegate effectively. Efficient time management is crucial for success. At number 8, wealthy individuals prioritize their health. They understand that a healthy body and mind are essential for sustained success. Regular exercise, proper nutrition, and mental well-being are non-negotiable. Rich people are often philanthropic. At number 9, we have giving back. Many successful individuals actively contribute to charitable causes, understanding the importance of making a positive impact on society. Number 10, persistence is key. Wealthy individuals don't give up easily. They learn from failures, adapt, and persevere. Success often comes to those who can weather the storms. Surprisingly, at number 11, many wealthy individuals are frugal. They understand the value of money and avoid unnecessary expenses. Frugality helps them build and maintain their wealth. Number 12, rich people are early adopters of technology. They leverage the latest tools and trends to stay ahead in their industries. Keeping up with technological advancements is a cornerstone of their success. At number 13, wealthy individuals set clear and specific goals. They know exactly what they want to achieve and create actionable plans to get there. Setting goals gives them direction and purpose. Number 14. The rich surround themselves with experts. They seek advice from professionals in various fields to make informed decisions and maximize their success. And finally, at number 15. Wealthy individuals have a positive relationship with money. They see money as a tool for creating opportunities and making a difference in the world. So there you have it, the 15 habits of the rich that the poor often overlook. By adopting these habits, you can unlock your own wealth and achieve financial success. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more valuable content. See you next time.